Good morning, friends. Good morning from Bangladesh, and welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all, my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you, I am Damil Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Saturday, 22 January 2022. Today is Saturday, so happy Saturday from Bangladesh. Now morning time, now foggy morning. Friends, this Saturday morning I visiting a tea garden area in our village. You can see behind my back tea garden area. Here is a big tree, soils road, beautiful natural place of village. Friends, this Saturday morning I visiting this place and I saw here some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে শনিবার সকালে কুয়াশাচ্ছন্ন এক সকালে আমি আমাদের গ্রামের একটি গাছ বাগানের অংশে এসেছি। এখানে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা, পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। ফ্রেন্ডস, দিস গার্ডেন এরিয়া, foggy morning. This Saturday morning I visiting this village garden area. I walked here and I saw here some polluted garbage. First I saw here one big plastic. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our natural place, our garden, our peoples, our children, our environment. So I collected this plastic. This is a very big plastic, polluted plastic. Friends, walked here and collected another garbage and plastic. Let's go. Friends, I saw here one cigarette butt, so I collected this cigarette butt. This is a really very bad cigarette butt. I saw here another plastic. Friends, now winter morning, foggy morning. This morning I walking inside village tea garden and collected polluted garbage. And this cleaning moment share with you in a video. Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place in village. Silent environment here. I saw another plastic bottle here. Bad product. This product is really very bad. Plastic, old plastic, polluted plastic. Really very beautiful natural place in village. This foggy morning, Saturday morning, I all get here and try to cleaning this place. Green nature, soils, really beautiful place. Cigarette pack here I saw. This cigarette pack. Another plastic product here. I saw another plastic here. This plastic. Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. This is a really very beautiful natural place. Soils road. I all get this soils road and try to collect polluted garbage. Foggy morning, beautiful morning. I enjoying this morning. Foggy morning. I saw another plastic here is stuck in soil. মাটিতে আটকে আছে and cigarette butt here. Cigarette butt and plastic, bad product. Friends, beautiful bird sound here. I saw here another plastic. I collected this plastic. I saw another plastic here, old plastic. this plastic, old plastic, another plastic here, old plastic. I collected this plastic, really very bad, this plastic. Really beautiful moment, beautiful bird sound, natural environment in village. I saw another plastic here, big and old plastic. This is a very big and old. I collected this big and old plastic from inside tea garden area. I saw one cigarette pack here, this cigarette pack, and I saw here plastic bottle, one plastic bottle. I collected this plastic bottle, really very bad. Friends, stock this garbage and another garbage, another plastic product here. I saw another plastic product. I collected this unused plastic product. This plastic is really very bad for our nature, our natural place. And another garbage I collected inside tea garden area. Very bad, polluted plastic. This garbage. Friends, I collected many polluted plastic, cigarette pack, cigarette butts from village tea garden area. This garbage is really very bad for our garden, our nature, our natural place. So this Saturday morning, I visiting a tea garden in our village and collected this polluted garbage. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. Now this garbage to in dustbin. Let's go, friend. I collected that garbage inside this tea garden, beautiful tea garden in village. Now this garbage to in dustbin of village. Let's go, friend. Many polluted plastic here, very bad plastic. Let's go, friends. This is a village used dustbin. This garbage to in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. This was my nature cleaning mission in Saturday morning.